Okay, in this step, I make a help layer for dodging and burn and fix the problem by dodging and burning. Make a new layer and going to edit, fill, 15% gray is okay. Now change the blend mode to color and make a curve layer a little bit. Okay, and hold control and make a folder and put the name helper. Okay, for next step, I make the dodging and burning curve. For example, this. Okay, and Control I for invert the mask. Again, use the curve and just attention to portrait and see the fixed problem. Okay. Now I Control I who and I hold Control I for invert the mask. Put the name Dodge. Make a folder and put the name Dodge and Burn a global. Again, I make two curve for Dodge and Burn contour for make a highlight and shadow in the face. Okay, now I going to Dodge and by Wacom pen I just draw on the problem. Choose the brush in the soft brush, hold Z for zoom. After that, I change the flow and in the 1% and resize the brush by bracket. Checking the white color in the left and just draw on the problem. I fixed every problem I see in the face and just draw like a paint. Okay, now I'm going to burn. Okay, it's very good. And now, as you can see, this is a difference between before and after that. Again, I'm going to fix this problem. Z for zoom and brush. Okay, it's very good. Now I going to dodge and burn for contour. For contour, I just light. If I want to show you in the color space, I show you the highlight in red line. Sorry, I highlight this part, this part, this part, this part, this part, this part, and this part. Okay, and I show you the shadow by blue. If I want to make shadow, I make the shadow here, 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 and here, here, and here. Okay, I delete that. Now I change again flow to 1% or 2% is okay. 2 is okay. choose the white color and going to dodge. Okay, and going to burn. Okay, it's very good.